Gear up to blast away grime with speed and smart design, because this countdown shines a spotlight on the best electric pressure washers on the market. Welcome to the countdown of the best electric pressure washer that you can get right now. Today, I'm going to be going over the best electric pressure washer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Westinghouse EPS310. EPS310 is built to handle common outdoor messes with a balance of power and stability. It delivers up to 310 psi and around 1.6 gallons per minute, which gives enough punch for caked grime on concrete, peeling paint on fences, and stubborn mildew on brick without overwhelming sensitive surfaces. Anti-tip technology from Westinghouse is a standout feature here, helping keep the machine steady during blasting and moving across uneven pavers. The chassis is designed with a broader footprint and oversized wheels, so you can roll it across gravel or grass without tipping easily. 25-foot high-pressure hose gives you a comfortable reach, which reduces the need to drag the unit or wrestle with the wand as you clean, while the 3 spray nozzles included let you toggle between wide fan and pointed jet for detail work. There's also a built-in detergent intake that makes soap-assisted cleaning simple for decks and siding. And the onboard storage for the spray wand, nozzle tips, and hose keeps your workspace neat. EPS310 supports standard garden hoses and quick connect fittings, making it easy to assemble and swap tips on the fly. In terms of noise, the unit maintains a respectable decibel range for a gas-powered machine of its class, so you won't feel like you're juggling a power tool with a lawnmower. Durability is addressed with a corrosion-resistant pump block and reinforced connections that stand up to humid climates, while the warranty provides peace of mind for routine use and seasonal maintenance. Homeowners who want straightforward performance without the complexity of premium drive systems, the EPS310 offers consistent cleaning results, dependable cold water operation, and a friendly price point relative to more feature-rich competitors. Regardless of the surface, the unit's spray pattern control helps you match power with precision, from concrete to wood to vinyl siding. The balance of pressure, water flow, and nozzle design translates into fewer passes across stubborn stains and less operator fatigue during long cleaning sessions. Compared to the Westinghouse WPX3000E, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the EPS310 emphasizes stability and user-friendly operation rather than chasing the absolute top side. The result is a comfortable, forgiving experience that makes weekend cleaning feel like a productive routine rather than a chore, with enough versatility to handle At number 4, we have the Westinghouse WPXE. This model leans into induction drive technology to deliver smooth starts and predictable performance, pairing solid cleaning power with long-term reliability. With up to 3,000 psi and roughly 1.8 gallons per minute, the WPXE can tackle concrete, wooden decks, brickwork, and stubborn mildew with less hand fatigue and fewer passes compared to lower power units. The induction drive system reduces vibration and heat buildup during prolonged cleaning sessions, which helps extend motor life and keeps the wand steadier in hand. 25 to 30-foot hose length, depending on configuration, gives you substantial reach without relocating the unit, and the quick connect nozzle assortment includes a turbo spray, a wide fan, and a pencil jet for precise detail work. WPX3000E features a robust, corrosion-resistant pump block and reinforced fittings designed to resist daily wear in humid climates, plus a built-in detergent intake that makes multi-stage cleaning simple for siding and outdoor furniture. Ergonomic handles and an easy-to-read control panel help first-time buyers dial in pressure and nozzle selection quickly, while the compact footprint makes storage easy in a shed or garage. Durability, warranty support, and a quiet, steady operation profile make this model a reliable daily driver for homeowners who want strong performance without chasing every last ounce of psi. Compared to the generic pressure washer, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the WPX3000E offers noticeably more sustained cleaning power, smoother operation, and better control during long cleaning sessions. At number 3, we have the generic pressure washer. This is the entry-level option designed for casual cleans, light driveway maintenance, and quick seasonal refreshes where heavy staining isn't the primary concern. Expect around 18,000 to 2,000 psi and roughly 1.5 to 1.6 gallons per minute from a typical generic 2-pump setup. Plenty for siding panels, lawn furniture, fences, and chalky patios when paired with a decent turbo or fan spray. A compact frame and lighter weight make it easy to roll across sidewalks and into storage, while the simpler motor and pump design keeps service costs down and startup straightforward for new users. We'll see most units in this class include a standard 25-foot hose and a small kit of nozzles, yet you often sacrifice some longevity and advanced features found on higher-end models. budget-minded cleaning days, the generic model shines by delivering consistent results without complicating controls or heavy electronics. The detergent intake is usually basic, and there is less emphasis on adjustable nozzle geometry, which means you'll rely more on technique than on turbojets to break through stubborn grime. And stacked against the Westinghouse WPX 3400E, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the generic pressure washer trades raw peak pressure for portability, affordability, and simplicity. Compared to the Westinghouse WPX 3400E, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the generic washer remains a practical starter option, but shows its limits on entrenched stains and large surface areas. At number 2, we have the Westinghouse WPX 3400E. This model leads with a brushless drive system that delivers high efficiency, lower maintenance, and reduced wear on moving parts over time. Power tops out around 34.0 psi with a flow in the 1.9 to 2 gallons per minute range, giving it the ability to blast away deep grime from concrete, brick, and wood while maintaining control through an adjustable nozzle family. The brushless drive configuration minimizes electrical noise and thermal stress, keeping the motor cooler during long sessions and allowing longer cleaning windows without overheating. Extended reach is a hallmark here, with a flexible hose that often runs 25 to 35 feet and a wand design that reduces fatigue for medium to tall cleaning tasks. Features such as a robust spray selector, a built-in detergent reservoir, and a compact form factor help the WPX 3400E balance power with practicality, which is ideal for homeowners who juggle multiple projects around the property. Unit is designed for straightforward maintenance with easily accessible pump seals and filters and a warranty that supports routine care. In practice, the combination of high psi, efficient drive, and thoughtful ergonomics translates into faster results on heavy contamination while still being manageable for casual weekly upkeep. Compared to the Westinghouse WPX 2300E, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the WPX 3400E offers stronger cleaning bursts and more sustained output, making it the better choice for frequent deep cleans and tough jobs. At number 1, we have the Westinghouse WPX 2300E. This compact, induction-driven model packs 23.0 psi with a smooth, reliable start and a surprisingly broad utility for its size. The induction drive system provides steady power with minimal maintenance, delivering consistent performance across a variety of tasks from patio tiles to vinyl siding. Practical 1 gallon per minute to 1.5 GPM range ensures you have ample water flow to lift grime while still staying efficient on water usage, which matters when you're cleaning around flowers, shrubs, or delicate painted surfaces. Portability is a theme here, with a small footprint, good caster wheels, and a user-friendly wand that reduces wrist strain during long sessions. A versatile nozzle set, including a high-pressure pencil jet for tight corners and a wide spray for broad surfaces, helps you tailor power to the work at hand. Detergent intake remains simple, making soap-loaded cleaning a breeze for decks, grills, and outdoor furniture, while the overall build remains durable enough to combat humidity and frequent storage in a shed or garage. The WPX 2300E shines in scenarios where quick, repeatable cleans are needed, and where you value ease of use and reliability over sheer peak pressure. Compared to the Westinghouse WPX 3400E, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the WPX 2300E prioritizes compact design, predictable control, and efficient operation for smaller jobs and regular maintenance tasks.